you, Black Tank Engine?
Again, it's Adrian.
Yeah, anyways. I noticed that there's a small section of track that leads somewhere near the big hill. What is that?
I honestly don't know anything about that.
You work here, and you don't even know what that line is?
Well, no.
No wonder why the other engines say tank engines are useless.
Well, he's worse than Dan.
Well, shoot. These trains are challenging, if you know what I mean.
Well, it's wartime, and you know, every railway needed any engine to have to keep up with the work.
Alright, I'm here. Who called this meeting?
Well, Mr. Nelson hasn't arrived yet, but he'll be here.
Really? I got here to deal with you old timers. Like, seriously, some of you should be on branch lines.
But it's during the war. We can't just leave it now.
That's not what I meant.
Good evening, engines. I know you were wondering why I called you here.
Is it those engines you were trying to get?
Yes, Chugs. Luckily, the railways on the mainland had set them to be withdrawn, but luckily for us, I managed to get them to help us out, and if needed, they shall remain here.
That's good, sir. Where are they coming from?
Well, the Big Four, of course. As following that, the Metropolitan Railway is sending their engines from the branch line to come work here.
So that's what that little line was. I never guessed.
When they arrive?
The MET engines will be coming tomorrow. As for the others, in a few weeks, so be prepared. And as always, continue with the hard work.
Big Four. That means we'll have LMS engines working here.
What's wrong with it?
Meaning they think we have to compete against each other even though they're working for us.
That's actually what Chug said to Dan.
You mean that clumsy stealer? Pah! He's nothing to compare against me. Besides, why did Mr. Nelson have purchased him of all engines? Doesn't he know what he did?
Dear what?
Yeah, never mind, I'm going to sleep.
He knows something, but he won't say what. Guess we'll have to wait.
Man, meeting new engines is fun.
It may well be, but it depends on their personality-wise.
Time to find out.
Greetings, engines! From the Thunderbird Railway, we are from the Apollo branch, run by the MET.
Well, it's nice to see you. We've been needing some help during these times. Also, I'm Adrian, and this is Mater.
Howdy.
That's nice. Anyway, I'm Peter.
I'm Jeremy.
And I'm Alan.
And him behind you.
Oh, him? He's a nobody.
I'm Jared.
Well, it's nice to meet you all now. Meet us at the sheds, so our controller will set you for your jobs.
That sounds simple. And you, Jared, you can just stay here. We all know you're meant for shunting.
Well, actually, he's also needed at the sheds.
But he's a shunter.
Is there a problem?
Well, duh. He's our shunter. He's only useful to bring in our coaches and trucks, and we take them.
Well, here our rules are different. Now, enough chatting, we should be at the sheds by now.
Pah! Some place.
Well, this isn't going well.
No, it isn't.
Big place.
Are you kidding? This place is huge. Our sheds are tiny compared to this.
Hope you get comfortable here.
But don't get too comfy. We have work to do soon.
We know. We're not that stupid.
Unlike you.
Hey! Alright. Settle down, you all. Now let's... Wait, aren't there supposed to be 4 of you?
Oh, well, that's...
Here I am, sir.
Jared, we thought we told you to... Anyways, now we are all here. Let's get down to business. Peter and Alan, you will help out with evacuation and passenger trades. Jeremy with goods. And Jared, you will be with Adrian and Scott to help out with the lighter goods trade. And after a while, I'll put you on lighter passenger services.
I'm going to be a mixed traffic engine. But sir, he's just a shunter. He can't.
I give engines chances, and besides, I already have a shutter coming soon, so don't worry about you fetching your own trades. Other than that, enjoy your stay, you 4.
Now, Jared, you'll be double heading with me with trains so you can learn the routes.
I never get to do things like this.
You're a shunter! You can't!
Shut up before I push you through the wall! All 3 of you! You're on our rails. We work together no matter what you are. What's important is that we have to get this railway running on time. At least appreciate you having work to do. Got it?! Good.
Huh, never seen that before. Now we're waiting for Chugs and Alan to bring in passenger train to bring all the way to the other side of the railway. So make sure you're filled up with enough coal and water for the long journey.
That shouldn't be too hard. Though I never pulled anything, especially a passenger train. They shunt trucks about and the others take them on journeys.
That's something I want to ask. Why are they rude to you? Don't they know they're tank engines as well?
They do, but they keep saying the same excuse that they're bigger than me. And since we run a private branch line, they have a mindset that they're high class and look down upon me. And I think I'm just a waste of space.
Now that's just silly. And besides, they'll soon learn their lesson. That's what happens to Dan.
Who's Dan?
Well, he was our mixed traffic engine, and he was very rude to all of us, especially towards our main express engine, Lexi.
Why's that?
I'm not sure on that.
Don't fucking run away from me!
Boy, you two take our coaches and hop to it.
Alan, what did Levy and Mr. Nelson say?
They're not here, so it doesn't matter.
Jeez, we will, but first you can take your rude attitude and do our work.
Me? Shuns? Huh, no chance.
You might if you kept acting like this.
Pah! You old-timer, move out of my way. I need to refill.
Fine. Bye, you two. Good luck.
They can't pull this. It's too much.
Well, let's start rearranging the coaches.
On it.
Good luck with that.
That's not nice.
Pah!
Remember what I said, Jared. Look at this.
Of course. That wasn't too bad.
You'll get the hang of it.
Chugs and Alan have not passed by with the express. Go and see what's wrong.
Hope Chugs is alright.
Probably not for Alan, though. But what do you think happened?
Not sure, but I do know that Jeremy and Mater were headed towards, what was it? Goods train. Maybe that's something to do with this?
But why would... Wait. Oh! There's no way it happened again.
Again? What do you mean again?
You'll see. I told you the signal was clear for me.
No, it was for me!
Well, looky here. 2 of the Metropolitan's high-class tank engines crashed during our visit.
Oh, shut up and get the cranes!
Nah. I don't really feel like it.
Jared, you butt!
Alright, we'll get them, don't worry. Besides, you do realize you're blocking the line for the express.
For the last time, that signal was set for me.
No, it wasn't!
How about you two shut it and wait for the foreman?
That's all we can do.
Well, we investigated, and it turns out both of you were wrong. None of your signals were set for the all clear. It was Lexi's signal that was set. You two were supposed to stop, but you didn't.
Oh.
Let's see what Mr. Nelson has to say about you two and Peter.
Well, you were right, Adrian. Guess engines like them do get theirs.
I told you, and karma delivered.
That's just silly. Peter, what did you do?
I guess engines are too sensitive to know about the truth about proper engines.
Thanks to you three's little disagreement on my railway and my rules, you've been causing problems with my engines. Let me remind you that you are here to help with these war times and follow orders. But I guess we have some issues to discuss. But for now, I think it's time I'll demote you from this kind of service. Peter, you'll now be put on goods trains along with Jeremy. And you, Alan, will be shunting for the other engines. At least you'll still have some good use here.
Yes, sir.
Oh, by the way, there's someone who wants to meet you.
It's Jared, isn't it?
Oh no, I think you will know.
Well, I warned you.
Oh.